Hello, my name is Christine Perret. I'm going to be stepping you through some additional information about an augmented reality for Enterprise Alliance project. I am the chair of the research committee, and I'm directing the process for getting proposals for a new project I'll be telling you more about. The area, for those who are not familiar with us, is a membership-funded alliance founded in 2013 with the purpose of accelerating the adoption of enterprise augmented reality. And we do that by creating and supporting a comprehensive ecosystem of providers of technologies, customers of technologies, as well as academic and research institutes of a variety of kinds. We achieve this ecosystem support through four pillars, through four areas of activity. Our strategic goals are to have area thought leadership recognized. We collect and curate that and make it available on our website. We also do a variety of different networking and market building activities. We help to fund and to organize research programs, which I'll be telling you some more about. And we want to also close the skills gap, the lack of people who are qualified to work in enterprise augmented reality projects. So those are just our four strategic goals. The research committee leads an advocacy research program that will help to advance the use of augmented reality and the technologies available to customers so that the area members can benefit first, and also to drive and expand the wider ecosystem. The project about which I'm going to tell you is selected by area members, and it's entitled Measuring the Enterprise AR Return on Investment. It focuses on making sure that area members are able to quickly and systematically estimate the return on investment for AR projects or for AR introduction in a particular department, division, or group. And we also seek to prepare new materials that can be used in a campaign to educate the ecosystem, to increase knowledge about how to calculate return on investment for AR. What we found, many members and myself included, is that the process of introducing augmented reality, we need to know how much to invest and when the benefits of that investment are going to be justified. And so we need to know when and how the benefits will accrue to the organization that's responsible for the investment. Unfortunately, there aren't any published or really widely released best practices or guidelines specific to AR introduction. Of course, we can adapt the procedures and tools that are for ROI estimation in other technology segments, but it would be better if there were some specific AR key performance indicators and tools so that those could be used internally, and that more variables be considered and be quantifiable in ROI analyses. So this new research project is going to produce 3 deliverables: a custom report that has documents the best practices for preparing an ROI analysis. Those should be based on the researcher's experience, as well as studying what augmented reality impacts might be, and borrowing and customizing, adapting what's been done for ROI of adjacent technologies. We also want to have an ROI calculator. That's an annotated spreadsheet with some formulas and instructions on how to use it. That then would be customizable by each group, each project or leadership as they need it. And then the third deliverable is a case study with some sample figures that show how to develop an ROI, and using either the ROI calculator or other tools. And it doesn't have to be with a named organization. It could be a sample. We think having these deliverables will help to define and answer some questions that area members have about measuring ROI and provide them that tool to accelerate, to get to an ROI estimate more quickly, even though they will be customizing it internally. And so whether they're an end user organization, they'd be able to use that, or if they are supplying services and products to large enterprise, they could also use this to develop ROI estimates for their customers and partners. And by having a case study widely available, we would increase everyone's understanding of how to approach ROI for AR, and I think that would accelerate the levels of adoption and investment. So the area members will have lower confusion, less delays. By using the deliverables from this project, we be better educated and able to get to some reliable estimates quickly. And as I said, the larger community would have more awareness of the area's activities and also be able to approach ROI calculations with more certainty and certainly more confidence. The budget for this project is $15,000, which will be paid in 2 equal installments, one at the beginning, one upon delivery of the final deliverables. The research will use best practices for industry research. Particularly, we want to be sure that all the deliverables are original and free of any content for which a third party could or does claim copyright. And at the end, the deliverables will be the exclusive property of the area for our member use and protected by a copyright. If you'd like to prepare a proposal, then please do so. The proposal should include at least these 6 sections: a description of research methodology, table with milestones and timeline, giving us some dates. I'll give some sample dates, but more details as the research team envisages. There should be a section on risks and mitigation measures that will be taken, some partners if that could be beneficial to the project. What are the qualifications of the organization submitting the proposal as well as their proposed partners? If you have any examples, similar projects, similar reports that have been published, that would be valuable to look at, and up to 3 references. We need their emails and phone numbers. To submit the proposal, you can go to this online form. This link is also available in a few other places on the RFP page. Once you've entered the name of the organization, the name of the person submitting the proposal, and contact information, you can either complete the details sections in the form, the online form, or submit the proposal as a PDF document. If you do choose to submit a PDF, it should be no longer than 5 pages and include the sections that I reviewed above. All submitted proposals will be reviewed beginning August 14th, actually beginning August 15th, because we expect them to be coming in during the day on the 14th. We will evaluate the knowledge and of ROI analysis in general, the qualifications of the team and partners, of course, the other factors such as the timeline and the review of prior research reports. And we will be calling on a few references. So this is the proposal, submission, response, and project timeline. Of course, the project dates could be modified depending on the proposal. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, Christine Perret, or the Executive Director of the area, Mark Sage, at the addresses on this screen. Thank you for your time and attention.